Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience using the service. Shoeboxed.com offers a compelling solution for digitizing and organizing receipts, business cards, and other important documents. They offer several service tiers, accommodating a variety of needs from individual users to large businesses. One of Shoeboxed's key features is its Magic Envelope service. Simply stuff your receipts and cards into a prepaid envelope provided by Shoeboxed, mail it off, and they'll handle the scanning and data extraction for you. This eliminates the hassle of manual data entry and frees up valuable time. The extracted data is then categorized and organized within your Shoeboxed account, making it readily searchable and reportable. You can generate expense reports with just a few clicks, simplifying accounting processes. Furthermore, Shoeboxed integrates with popular accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero, streamlining financial workflows. Beyond simple digitization, Shoeboxed uses human verification for accuracy, ensuring the data is reliable and minimizing errors. This human touch complements the automated scanning process, offering a balance of efficiency and precision. Shoeboxed also provides secure data storage, safeguarding your sensitive financial information. For individuals and businesses looking to streamline their expense management and reduce paper clutter, Shoeboxed is a powerful tool worth considering. The various subscription options provide flexibility, allowing users to select a plan that best suits their volume and budget. From the convenience of the Magic Envelope service to the comprehensive data organization and reporting features, Shoeboxed offers a robust and user-friendly platform for managing essential financial documents. If you're drowning in receipts and searching for a reliable way to digitize and organize your expenses, Shoeboxed might be just what you need. Check out the link below to learn more.